I got this Gua Sha tool off eBay. It's made by Physioneers, and it also includes access to a learning center. I was just going to demo it on, I was actually having a particular problem. I was having pain on the side of my finger here for several weeks, and it wasn't going away. So what I would suggest is you can actually, I'm using Shea Butter, 100% natural shea butter. So this actually works really good for the application of Gua Sha. If you are having any kind of wrist pain or finger pain, you can give this a try. This tool has different surfaces you could use, and your finger fits in this cutout here. You can go across the top of your finger, or the sides, the bottom. I would spend about 5 minutes on this, and then give it a day and see if it helped your pain. I also previously had a wrist ligament injury. Gua Sha worked wonders on that. It was this ligament right here injured. You could use this surface of this tool and just gently go over that area. This surface works good too. Now, if you wanted to work all of your fingers, this tool is a good fit too. As well as your hand. This tool is a really affordable option for IASTM or Gua Sha. It's only $19 on eBay. I am going to put a link in the description. That one is an affiliate link. If you use it, I will get a small commission, and I do recommend this tool. It's made out of stainless steel. It's very durable. It can resist like dropping and washing, no problem. And it's suitable for small joints. Your fingers, your toes, your wrist. You can also just as easily use this on your arm. This tool has a wide variety of applications and it's so affordable compared to other IASTM tools, especially since they're including 1-year access to a learning center with tutorials on IASTM. So I definitely recommend you give this one a try. If you're new to IASTM or not, either way, it's really a good tool. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, press the like button and be sure to subscribe because I am going to be reviewing more IASTM tools as well as massage bamboo sticks and other tools that I use in my practice. Thank you.